Okay, I've got to go feed the horses. Can we come to your room? If I grab your dumbbell, will you follow me? I know, it's been wonderful. I've had fun too. But I need to go feed the horses. And then I gotta get out to the farm. Yeah. Oh, there's my boy. My sweet boy. I'll turn on your sunlight. There. Okay. Oh, I just love you so much. I'm gonna miss you. Yeah. I'm gonna miss you very much. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I just love you. Yeah. Smooch. Thank you. Okay. You got everything you're gonna need. That's kind of what I thought too. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, Uncle Sean's gonna come over too, and he's gonna come say hi. Yeah. That'll be about 5 o'clock. Would you like a couple nuts? Nap time nuts? Oh. Okay. You're welcome. All right. I love you to bits and pieces. Yeah. You be a good boy. Entertain yourself while I'm gone. I'll be back in a few hours. Yeah. I'll miss you the whole time I'm gone. Oh, get this out of there. Okay. I love you. I'll see you when I get back. What's that? You guys stay in here. I love you. Oh, you gotta stay in here, baby. I love you. Love you. I know. I'll see you in a few hours. Love you.